You are, it seems, a man of many skills. A rare combination.
Approximately, how much do you make a week?
Yo, so it's Gucci. What are we saying? This market has been nuts. Here, let me zoom in real quick. What's going on here? Jesus, you guys are looking at my whole room. Stop snooping in my goddamn room, boy. Okay, so guys, Neo. I like what I see on Neo. Today is just an excellent day to buy, in my opinion. I happened to pick up a position. So my goal was to wait for the opportunity to come to maybe potentially get in Neo. And I happened to be shuffling some positions around because of the market like correction that has been going on in the past few days. So because of that, I had capital to put into positions, and I liked the opportunity that I seen in Neo. So I decided to get in today. I got in at around $47. So big bounce on the day, and I'm expecting further continuous upside. We have a potential abandoned baby setup, random name for a chart pattern, but we have the bearish day, a gap below, and then a nice reversal. Now we want to see the gap up and push to the upside. We want to see it go above the 8 EMA now. So one thing I'm going to be looking for on this chart is the reaction to the 8 EMA. Like when we come get this bounce, how is it going to react when it comes up to the 8 EMA? Is it going to reject it and use it as resistance? Because if so, that's not a great sign, but we will have to see. That will be a big factor in my how long I hold the position for. Another thing that I really do like about Neo stock, look at the demand zone that we happen to still trade above. It came back, almost came to test this demand zone. I like that. We happen to break through this area, and these were areas we pointed out in the last video. These are areas that you want to always pay attention to, just because previous supply and demand is where stock is likely to fall back to if there is a correction or if there is a move to the upside. So it's always good to pay attention to previous supply, previous demand. What I want to see now is this zone. We also have a volume node here that shows that this is where the price has mostly been in this time frame. Since October 15th, 2020, the price that has mostly been bought is $44. Today, closing above at like $49 is what you want to see. That's absolutely bullish. So I want to see it continue to the upside, of course. Now, we could get a V correction, which would be absolutely what we want. Like, of course, we want it to just go straight back to the upside. But that might not happen. What we could see is it play around in this zone until it establishes a stronger base, and then we launch and go. So there's a few things that could play out now. What I was mostly concerned about is taking the opportunity to get into the chart, because today provided that opportunity for us as a trader, because it became too far extended to the downside, broke down below one, almost gets to the second previous demand zone. Like, there's certain things that you want to take into consideration. That is a major one of them. Watching things get too far extended to the downside and then getting that reversal. So that's the update for this week. Peace, guys.